Hey guys, how are you guys all doing? I hope you are doing amazing. I have had way too much coffee, and I am literally in video 4 for today. So, yep, it's just one of those days. Alrighty. Hey guys, so today it's going to be my, it's a Topbox box. This is really weird, I'm not gonna lie. I have to obviously cover, it says BoxyCharm on here, but it's not actually my BoxyCharm box. This is a box for November. Canada Post is on a little bit of, not a hiatus, that's not what I'm gonna call it. They're on strike. So it's a semi-strike, they're not fully striked, they're only doing half work, I guess, is what's going on. All I know is that things are taking way too long to get to me. If you watch any of my other previous unboxing videos for November, you obviously know that at this point, nothing is getting through. It is literally near the end of November, and these boxes just got here. Like, I literally had to sit down and film ASAP. It is 6:30 in the morning. So, yeah, there's that. Again, sorry if you watched all my other videos of unboxings. Rambling is really what's going on today. This is what this one looks like. I don't know why they switched up the box from last month. There was a big one, and then now there's this one. The weird part is this one is supposed, the name on this one I changed. I put my sister's name on it. So I can know which one's which. And this one's supposed to be her box. And her box is actually supposed to be in one of those baggies, like come in like this. So I'm really confused as to why all of a sudden it was put in one of these, but let's just jump right into it. So this is what's in it this month. I think maybe they're trying to make it look more like a BoxyCharm, I'm not sure. So let's go, and obviously there is that, and there is a 20% off coupon for Masquerade face masks. So there's that if you want to use that. That is the code. Obviously there is a mask in here. So this is the mask. We have been getting a lot of Masquerade masks in. I have no idea why we keep getting so many of these in. I'm not really complaining. I just haven't used any of them yet. So this one is the Sweet Retreat. And these ones are mini masks, which if you watched my last top box, you know that we got the same ones, but in a different thing. We did get mini masks, so last time as well. So this is 12 mini masks, and these ones are sweet little treats. Honestly, they're sort of kind of cute. I don't really know if I want treats all over my face. Granted, the last ones were diamonds and stuff, and gems, so whatever. If you guys want to see a video on these and how they kind of look, let me know in the comments below. So then up next is this Revlon Unique One. This is a leave-in conditioner, and this is in Lotus Flower. It's an all-in-one leave-in conditioner spray. I have said this before. I do not like when they send hair products in subscription boxes unless you are buying a hair products one. This is going to be going to my sister. I do not actually like the scent of the Lotus Flower one. I know this because I have used these before, and I do know that I don't like the scent of this. So I am going to give this away to my sister. She will love it. That's kind of cool, I guess, if you like hair stuff. And then there is this here, and this is the Clarins Paris. This is a super restorative eye serum, I think. Okay, let's try this out. This is going to be tiny. I know this brand, and it's not super cheap, but it's not super ridiculous either. That is tiny. I realize this is a sample box, but so this is what it looks like, and it is a teeny weeny little serum. This holds this is 3 milliliters. So that is what it looks like. It is very smooth, and it kind of just blends itself out. It smells, how do I, like something my grandmother would have used. Yeah. But let's see. It came, most of the packaging has like this. This is the packaging. And this is how small the thing is. They could have just gotten rid of all this and just got a bigger one of those. but who am I? So this is supposed to make your eyes visibly younger. I'm assuming it's supposed to go in here. If they could get rid of, honestly, if this stuff would get rid of my bags, I would buy it. It could cost like $1 million and I would buy it. But we'll have to test that out. And then the last thing in this box happens to be this here. And yes, it's a sample size. This is the NARS Climax Mascara. I personally have never tried this. I've heard some really good things about it. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to volumize. It's supposed to be 26% fuller and maximize volume. Okay, cool. Let's just see. The brush is really nice looking. That looks cool. I am definitely going to try this one. I don't know if this one is waterproof or not. It's obviously in black. Instant curl from tip to base. Okay, cool. So that is that mascara. Yeah. Okay. I'm not too upset about mascara. They give us mascaras all the time. They also give us full-size mascaras in this top box quite a bit. So this is a little underwhelming this time, honestly. And I will insert the other Versus top box in here when I actually get the other one in. The other one's not in, and I really, really wanted to get some of these videos filmed. I am receiving a preview box, and I think it's a masquerade preview box, actually, to be perfectly honest. So I will show photos. So that is everything in this month's top box. For November. I will be trying one of these soon. I'm not too sure when, but 2 of the other ones, and I have a few from other boxes and stuff like that. So I will definitely try to get on the trying to do those. I do know I need to do a face mask coming up. Well, that was everything in this top box Versus top box for November. If you guys have not already, please hit this subscription, which is technically right down here. But hit that bell and then hit the notification bell. Get the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out, even though they're super late for November. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!